What's up YouTube? Another day, another ride. So today we'll be heading out to a dam which is in, I don't know exactly where, maybe Malvalli or Kollegala district, and I'll be accompanied by two of my friends, one on an X440 and the other one on the Scrambler 400. So right now I'm on the way to the meeting spot. I'm actually already late, reason being my alarm didn't ring in the morning. I set an alarm for 4:15 a.m. Actually not only 4:15, from 4:10 all the way to 4:15 a.m. So 4:10, 4:11, 4:12, 4:13. But Apple decided to do its thing and silence all the bloody alarms. And I woke up at 4:48 when I was supposed to leave at 4:40. So yeah. But anyways, I think with that, let's get straight into the video. Fingers crossed for a really good ride ahead.
What is this, man?
Bro, don't ask. Don't ask. I almost crashed into a stop truck on the right lane, bro, right now while coming. Hung chachkond bandidini. Hoda. And off we go. So the maps shows around 130 kilometers from here. I think we're gonna have a long ride today. You remember this place? You remember this place?
Not with you guys.
Bhimeshwari. Here only. Huh? Tea. Nidde barta ide bere. Nidde bere barta ide, mom. So we stopped for tea and yeah, I think it's about 97 kilometers. Not bad. We maintained a really good pace till here. I just hope there's no more traffic because we'll have to do 100 kilometers more. Quite shocked that my phone didn't, ring. Italian guy with a dog on his bike. Damn! What's his name? What's his name? What is his name? Hello. Wow. Awesome, man. All the best. Bro. Nice. Bro, that was damn good, bro. this is so damn beautiful. God, that's a dam. God damn. Whoa, this is so beautiful. Wow. Yen guru view idu. Holy shit. Crazy view, dude.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಆರ್ ನೋಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
No, I think this was a perfect spot, bro.
No, this place only I was trying.
Howda?
Londonly I come, I stopped here.
I see.
Same route now.
Correct, correct.
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ to the left side if you go, you get that Shivana Samudra and all.
Okay. Yo. God damn. So beautiful. Another 26 kilometers left. We maintained a very, very good pace actually. What a beautiful place, man. I think this should be the highlight of today. What can we do? No. Huh?
If you think about it,
Yeah.
Green Tara is not very far away.
It is another 65 kilometers from here. You want to go to Dondenling instead?
Anything.
Dondenling is another 36 from here.
Okay.
It's showing 1 hour 3 minutes.
That road is bad, bro. Road is.
Do we go here or not? Do we leave the bike, go there or not?
You can go, come. Yeah, I don't mind. Oh, there's a peak out.
Oh, far. Yeah, it's full. Hello. Hey, Jargole camera close pic. Wow. It's showing full colors, bro. Tegi photo. Harinjai. Now where do we go, bro? Do we go in and we call it a day, or do we go to Dondel? Huh?
ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಡಾಂಡೆನ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಹೊರಟ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 1 hour ಬೇಕು.
Correct. Tough.
1 hour.
We'll leave the bikes here then. We'll go in. How did you fit through that?
Hey, ನಾವು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Holy shit.
ಮೆಡಗಾಸ್ಕರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
That lion. Tiger, huh?
ಆ ಸರ್ಕಸ್.
Oh yeah, that fire, no? That on fire.
Like that.
ಏನು ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
ಸೂಪರ್.
ಸೂಪರ್.
ಗೇಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ
Correct. We found a way to get in without our bikes. We walked past the gate and we trekked up that dam. And yeah, it was a beautiful view with BR hills on the opposite end and water. Perfect weather, but right now I wouldn't say this is perfect weather. 136 kilometers back home. Beautiful in this weather. So I guess with that I'll be ending today's video. So hope you liked the video. Irappa ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So hope you liked the video. For those of you who don't know me, hi, I am Motor Critic. This is my niece Manish. Oh, continue. So for those of you who don't know me, hi, I am Motor Critic. I post ride videos and ride reviews. So please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Very good. ಲೇ ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡು. What the ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ. If one of them were silenced, okay. What the oh fuck. Hello. Hoda. I want to vlog the fit check. Ibru Nakan wearing baggy stuff for rides. Baggy cargos, baggy ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು?
ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಸೇಮ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇತ್ತು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಆಮೇಲೆ.
ಛಾ
ವೇಸ್ಟ್.
ಏಯ್
ಮಚ್ಚ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲಿ, ಸೆಕೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಡಾಗಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಾಳಿ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮಾಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ಸೇಮ್. ನಂದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಆರ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಂದು.
ಗಾಳಿ
ಹಾ
AC ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ.
ಲೋ AC ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು, ಯಾಕೆ DC ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಗಂಡು ಏರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನರ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಇವರು, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್.
ಹಾ,
I want this on YouTube.
You will have this on.
My 2 minutes of fame.
Did you oil yourself up or something?
Morning I had.
I'd love to see you oiled up, bro.
Morning I had for you.
You want to see him oiled up?
That tiger, he puts full oil on himself and goes through that ring, no?
Yeah, I know.
Same thing even Arinjay did.
Just now.
Huh? He oiled himself up and went in, bro.
Not oily did.
Oh, that's all.
Hi. ಇಂತಾನೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಮಾಮ್. ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ, ವ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಅರ್ಜಯ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್.
ಹರಿಂಜಯ್ ಚಕ್ರಾಲ್ವಾರ್
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ದಬಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ.
ಅದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಾ ಮಚ್ಚ? ನೀನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ?
ನನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಶೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಏಯ್ ಡೆಂಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು. ಏಯ್ ನಾನು ಮೋಟರ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಏಯ್ ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಮಾಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ